In this video, we will explore the AI model of Cartify. We'll begin by understanding what an AI model is and how it operates. In today's supermarket software systems, product information such as price and name is typically retrieved by scanning barcodes using external barcode scanners. Cartify streamlines this process by utilizing AI computer vision algorithms to scan and interpret the entire image of a product, eliminating the need for external scanning devices. This innovative approach will be explored in detail in the annotations section. So, as a result, the AI model serves as a feature that categorizes products based on specific AI algorithms, allowing for the creation of distinct AI models. This functionality enables supermarkets to develop their own customized models and offers them the opportunity to sell these models in the Cartify marketplace, particularly for cashier-less supermarket setups. Let's proceed by adding a new AI model to see how it works. First, choose a name for the model. Once the model is named, you can assign products to it. The system allows for easy searching and assignment of products to the model. However, each product can be assigned to a model only once. After assignment, the product will be removed from the product list in the AI model section to prevent duplicate assignments. Perfect. Now it's ready to be annotated.